Yo, what's up everybody? We're back on the channel in the garage, and we got some updates for you on the Fox we've been working on. We changed a little bit of things and we added some things, and man, the other day wasn't one of them days, but we got it to work out and everything's going good, so let's have it. So as you can see, we got the Fox we're working on out there, and we changed some things as we were doing some things and added things. So one of them is we went with a aluminum radiator and electric fan. Well, this electric fan didn't fit, so he opted to grab a slimmer dual fan setup that we're going to install when it comes in, and it's probably one of the last things we got. So this is the stock radiator and the coolant tank, the stock fan, some of the hoses, overflow, all the old hoses. We had to cut the one hose because we got the metal hose for the supercharger. So let's go take a look at where we're at. We got the K-member and A-arms installed, front and rear springs, front brake lines, the rear flex line, the rear end cover and fluid, the new fuel tank, fuel pump. So with the new motor mounts, I feel that it raised the motor a little bit. I guess the convertible mounts are smaller for some reason, but when I was doing the K-member, the motor mounts were shot, and I recommended doing them, and I should have just waited to do the work, because man, was it one big job, tough job to get the motor mounts in for some reason. Also with the rack bushings, like these are the old rack bushings, they're all shot. The old motor mounts, you know, they move around. Look at that, they're shot. So, you know, with a 30-old car, it's expected. A lot of these bushings need to be redone. So we got to start. We got a new thermostat in, all new radiator hoses. We got the red silicones. You could see we got the SVE radiator, aluminum rad. You see the lower hose. So we're waiting on an electric fan, and we'll finish the upper radiator hose. And this is what it's looking like down here. K-member, A-arm springs, steel braided front brake lines. We bled the brakes. We got the stock Fox brakes still on. May eventually change them. You never know. This ain't gonna be no crazy car or anything, but so this is the BMR premium K-member and A-arms. Brand new springs, brand new rack bushings. You can see the we went with the SVE polyurethane motor mounts. The driver's side went in good. This side went in. It was one hell of a job. So with the BMR K-member, they give you the spacer for the steering shaft. I don't know if you could see it. But there's a spacer on the shaft now because it sticks down farther away. So that's what that's all looking like. And we got a break. I'll break in the rain today. It rains a lot here in Pennsylvania. So we got the new tank in. You can see the rear end cover. We got the new rear springs in, and then there's a flex line that goes to the hard line and the block on the rear end that we did. You can kind of see the tank, but we put a 340 stealth pump in, aluminum rear end cover and fluid, and we got a couple things to button up, and then we'll have another view for you. Have it back up and running, make sure the fan's working. It's coming along pretty good. And while we were in here, we cleaned up a couple little things, so a little extra thing I like to do, make it clean. So with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and until that next video, you know what to do. Peace.